Upper screws.
Open the hood and remove the upper grille cover. To do this, remove the 4 plastic expanding rivets on the top. Push the pin in the middle and then remove the rivet as a whole. Below are the 2 upper screws of the bumper. Remove both.
Central connector of the parking sensors.
In the middle is also the central connector of the parking sensors. Pry the connector downwards at the back. This will release it at the front.
Bottom screws.
On the underside, simply remove all screws that are directly attached to the bumper.
Side screws.
On the sides, the bumper is screwed twice to the wheelhouse liner. Remove screws. On the inside, the bumper is still attached to the fender with 1 screw. So, you have to fold the wheelhouse liner away a bit. The wheelhouse liner is attached with these round clips. Release the small hook of the clip, and then push the clip out. After the clips have been removed, you can fold the wheelhouse liner slightly to the side. And get access to the screw on the inside. Remove the screw. Then pull the bumper sideways out of the guide.
Unplug fog lights.
After the bumper has been released from the side, unplug the fog light. The bumper can now be removed.
Fog lights.
To replace the fog lights or their bulbs, H8, removing the bumper is not absolutely necessary but recommended. The grille surrounding the fog light can be pulled outward. If that doesn't work, you'll have to loosen the hooks on the inside with the bumper removed. Then remove both screws on the underside. The fog light can then be removed. When reinstalling the grille, spray the individual hooks with silicone spray. This will facilitate installation.
Parking sensors.
The removal of the parking sensors is the same for most models of the VW group. Loosen the tool holders on the side and then press the sensor from the outside to the inside. To unplug, pull the lock back a little. And then press down. Do not lose the rubber seals when removing. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.